You may have turned off a lot of privacy settings on your iPhone, and yet there is one setting inside Safari that, if it is not enabled correctly, allows many websites to identify your device and track you more than you might imagine, even if you think a VPN is enough. The surprise? This setting is already on the iPhone, but a lot of people leave it in a mode that does not protect them fully. And in this video, I'll show you in less than a minute how to enable it the right way, and why it is more dangerous and more important than it looks. First, open Settings, then Apps, then Safari. Then Advanced. And you will find a setting called Advanced Tracking and Fingerprinting Protection. When you open it, you will see two options: Private Browsing Only and All Browsing. Here, you must choose All Browsing. And this is the most important part of the whole video. Why? Because when the setting is enabled on Private Browsing Only, you are only protecting yourself inside private browsing, but during normal browsing, websites can still collect a lot of details about your device. And these details may seem simple, but when they are combined together, they become like a digital fingerprint for your device. What does a digital fingerprint mean? It means a website can read certain information about your device without asking for direct permission, such as screen size, device type, system version, browser capabilities, graphics rendering behavior, and other technical things happening in the background. Each piece of information by itself may not seem important, but when a website gathers them all together, it can build a very distinctive profile of your device, and that makes it easier to link your visits together and reduce the level of privacy you think you have. And that is exactly where this setting matters. When you choose all browsing, Safari starts reducing the accuracy of some of the data websites can see, and makes the process of identifying your device much harder. And that means it becomes harder for a website to identify your device easily, link your visits across multiple websites, or build a clearer profile of you from your browser fingerprint. And that is why this setting is very important, because it is not just a technical-looking option and that's it. No, it is one of the very powerful settings that actually increases your privacy during everyday browsing. And more importantly, a lot of people do not even know it exists. And the people who benefit from it the most are those who use Safari every day and want to reduce tracking as much as possible. So simply put, if you go in and find it set to Private Browsing Only, change it immediately to All Browsing. In the end, if this is your first time hearing about this setting, then believe me, there are still many other settings that are even more powerful than a lot of people are using the wrong way without realizing it. So, write in the comments. Did you already have it enabled on all browsing, or did you just discover it now? And if the video really helped you, hit like so it can reach more people, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you do not miss any hidden setting or smart trick that can truly make a difference in your privacy and how you use your iPhone.